Hey guys, you are not seeing things, you are seeing me, Tracy, Country Charm by Tracy, live on my Facebook page. I got a order in from Craft Outlet and I decided to unbox it with you because I'm really excited about this one because I ordered some greenery bushes that I saw on another creator's page, and so I did not tell anyone that I was going live. I didn't post it or anything like that. It's just fly by the seat of my pants like I usually do. Anyway, so if you're watching now, oh hey Erin, I just didn't know, I didn't to say, hey, I'm going to be going live or doing anything. You know, if you're scrolling Facebook, I will greet you as you come on. If not, you might be watching the replay. Hey guys, hey. So what I'm doing is I got, hello. I got an order from Craft Outlet in, and I said, well, let me just do an unboxing because it's been a while since I've ordered from Craft Outlet, and I know that there are a number of other places to order from, and online, or you know, just different places. Anyway, what I saw was Heather of Velvet and Vine Designs. I hope I did not mess that up. Heather from Velvet and Vine Designs. She's a wreath maker, centerpiece, does all the stuff, and she had shared this greenery that she got, and it was they called it Sweet Annie. And so a lot of us have had trouble finding Sweet Annie, or you know, kind of trying to find alternate things to Sweet Annie. I can never find any like of the real stuff or anything like that. So if you're just kind of watching, I'm just doing an unboxing of my recent Craft Outlet haul. It's been a while since I've ordered from them, and I know a lot of my friends do like to see that because that's how we kind of get ideas and that kind of thing. Anyway, so I was watching Heather Velvet and Vine Designs on one of her TikToks. She had shared this Sweet Annie. It's a bush, or yes, just a little bush. Okay, I like this. So this is kind of like my first reaction of it. It's not quite as big as I thought it would, like full as big as I thought it was. But that's okay, that's okay. It's a little bush, little Sweet Annie bush. So craftoutlet.com, and what I did is I just searched Sweet Annie. Guess what? It came up. And so as Heather was just suggesting, if you know, you need to complete, like, so you can qualify for the free shipping, this is a great filler to kind of get in, fill in to kind of reach that quota and that kind of thing. Okay, and so then, so I got, let's see, I forgot how many I got of those. 3, I guess. Anyway, so then, oh, this one's pretty. I love these little bushes like this because it has little white flowers on it. I love that. I'm really into wreath making and centerpieces and doing a lot of things with more floral, just kind of branching out with that kind of thing. So sometimes we are inspired by our other friends that share those different things. So those are that. Okay, I couldn't remember all what I ordered. I ordered a bunch of signs. That's what I did. I ordered from Craft Outlet, and then I also placed an order from the wreaths shop. So that should be here, I think, tomorrow. So I may be going live again and show you what I got from the wreathsshop.com. Anyway, so this must be the only ribbon that I got from a Craft Outlet. Look how pretty this is. Let me open this up. I can't get it. Look how pretty this is. It's a 2.5 inch ribbon. Hey, Mary Lou. Thanks for joining me this afternoon, guys, on the spur of the moment. So I just want to show you some of the signs that I got because, like I said, I am the wreath shop that I sell my, or the gift shop that I sell my creations at, are asking for everyday summary. I'm really trying to get into that kind of thing. And so, okay, Mary Lou is watching from Iowa. Thanks, Mary Lou. I'm here in Texas in the little town called Brenham. So these signs are going to be like more everyday and also for summer and that kind of thing. And so I got this one. It says welcome. Has a cute little turquoise not butterflies, but little flowers on there, little daisies. How pretty is that? And they have everything packaged so well. This one says, be happy. And they're all different prices, but usually they're $3.95, $4.95, $4.50, something like that. This one says, gather here where grateful hearts. Gather here with grateful hearts. So that is what that one looks like. Let's just stack them up over here so I can put them back in. Okay, this one is, I had done a wreath with this one. It's home. It says home. I had done a grapevine wreath with this, or deco mesh, I can't remember. And it's sold right away, so I want to go ahead and get another one in. And then this one, okay, this one says home sweet home. Like I said, I need to, they're at the gift shop is asking for, sorry, get a little too close, a little too close. So I am going to be getting in doing some more everyday kind of wreaths and designs, that kind of thing. Yes, all of these are from, I'm sorry, let me get over here to the comments. Well, okay. So Donna's asking, did you get these all from Craft Outlet? Yes, ma'am. These are from Craft Outlet. This is cute. I have a little cherry. I have some little cherry embellishments and that kind of thing. I'm going to do a little wreath with that. Hey, Kathy. And so I want to get back into kind of showing a little bit. Those of you, if you're watching me, if you do wreaths, you know, if you design them, sell them, that kind of thing, there's only like the gift shop that I designed for, that I sell my creations in my hometown. I have to keep them at a certain price point. I don't want to sell on Etsy. I don't want to do all of that yet. And so my sister owns the store in our hometown. It's called Select Furnishings. And so I just want to help my sister out. This is the only place that you can get my creations. And so this one says, welcome, with the little flamingos. So that is great for summer. And so I kind of like when I do my deco mesh wreaths, I kind of do the same style kind of thing, kind of keep it in that, just change it up just a little bit. This one says, hello, sunshine. How cute is that? I can just see this, just with all the really bright ribbon. Okay, this was fun. I wasn't quite sure how big it was going to be. This little bee, it says Be Sweet, just a little bee embellishment. This order is from craftoutlet.com. And so if you order a certain amount, they will give you free shipping, and they ship really, really fast. I think I ordered this on Monday, maybe. Look at this tractor. I love the check around it. And so I'm going to be doing a wreath with that. I really needed some different signs, because I do love to create my own signs, but it takes a lot. It takes a lot. It takes a lot to put create my own signs. And so this one says hello. Oh, I love this one. Oh my goodness. This one just does not do it justice. Oh my goodness. Bless this home, and I love the cross on it. You know, sometimes when we see it on the computer screen, we don't quite know what it's going to look like in person. I love that. Thank you, Donna. I love doing them, but you know, doing videos, it takes a long time to film, and then the editing takes so long, you know? And so I'm really going to try to get back into filming and getting those videos up for you on my YouTube channel. If you're not following me over there, please do. This one is a bee sign. It says be kind, because, you know, got a request for those bees. Love all those bees. Oh, and this one says, hey, y'all. We say y'all down here in the South. And this one says bless. I ordered another one of these because I sold one and they just absolutely loved it. So I said, let me go ahead and order another one. All of these, if you're just hopping on, came from craftoutlet.com. And there were anywhere between $3.50, $3.95, $4.50. Yep, that's what the price is. So these are little wooden signs. This one just says welcome. Then I got a few that were these are 10, like 10. This one is pink with the little daisies on it. I have the perfect ribbon for this. Grab it. I think it's over here. Oh, where'd you go? I piled all the stuff up, and so I guess I moved it or it dropped down. But I had it's pink and it has these little daisies on it. And I said, oh, I'm gonna get that. Then I found this is peach. Farmers Market peaches, and so I have some little peach like embellishments. So this is going to be cute with some little greenery and all that kind of thing. And then I got another one of this. I had just posted a wreath inspiration video that I took over to the wreath shop. I keep saying wreath shop. Gift shop. Select Furnishings in Brenham, Texas. In my hometown, it's my sister's store. They sell furniture, all kind of home furnishings. She has a gift shop in there, and so she allows me to share my creations or sell my creations in there. So anyway, I had just shared a deco mesh wreath that I did with this sign. It was just kind of like an all around everyday with daisies and greenery and all of that kind of stuff. So anyway, this right here, this is the only ribbon that I ordered in this purchase, but don't despair, because I did order some from the wreathshop.com. That's what I did. So anyway, yes, I do too. I love all of those different signs, and I didn't buy like a whole bunch of extra because, you know, used to I would be the one that I would be like, well, I gotta get a whole bunch of extras. Nope, I'm not like that anymore. I have like a purpose. I want to get these wreaths done, get them out of here, and not have so much extra stuff. Hello, if you're just popping on, I know I just getting on here and just showing the supplies that I got from craftoutlet.com. I ordered a ton of different signs that I'm going to be doing for wreaths. This is the only ribbon that I got this round, but don't despair, because I do have some that I have from the wreath shop. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you're watching on the replay, thank you so much. Y'all have a great day. God bless you. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.